Hey guys, I'm trying to decide what I should do with my miter station. Now I have a older miter saw, and you've seen it in a lot of my videos and it works good. Um, but I'm considering an upgrade, but I don't necessarily know if that's what I really need to do, because if it ain't broke, you know what they say, don't fix it. But I just kind of wanted to get some opinions and what people thought and some of my subscribers thought. And let's take a look at this miter saw that I. Here's a full look at it, and there's the saw itself. That's what the saw looks like, and I created the box to try to catch as much of the sawdust and wood chips as possible, and that works pretty good when I use it. I can't use it when I do angles, so that's a little bit of a problem, but that can be worked around. But you can see the station itself. The station, I made this station, wow, several years ago, and this station was made from totally free crate wood that I picked up, and other free wood. The panel boards, they were free. The 1x, they were free. They may have been ripped crate wood. As you can see, the crate wood is it's like 1x6s, and that was a great find. Plywood on top, there is plywood on the top. That was probably free as well. Like I just said, I didn't put any money into this except for screws and that kind of thing. And but it collects a lot of junk nowadays. But as you can see, the saw itself works good, but the only thing is it's not up to date, and I'm wondering if I need to have something more up to date just to be more versatile. I know that I can do a lot of functions on the table saw that the miter saw would be able to do, and I can get away with it on the table saw. But this is all you get with this saw. I mean, that's it. You know, it's got a nice safety guard on it. I did put a really nice blade on there, as you can see. That's a serious cross-cut blade, and it does a tremendous job. But the saw itself, the miter saw itself, is pretty clean. You can see I had to replace the handle on it here, but I do get angles out of it. Like I said, I had to take this shroud cover off, and you push down on this lever here, and you can move the saw to a different angle. First you have to unscrew it, unlock it, and then it works like so. But this thing, I think I've had this saw since the 90s, maybe even earlier than that. But I think I was a young man when I picked this up, and it's been with me for a long time. And I do have a hose to try to collect the dust that's piped underneath. It goes down below, and I don't use that half the time like I should. But I don't know, I'm just kind of torn between, should I get a newer one or should I stay with this old one? The thing, I mean, it does a really good job. Like I said, the cuts are nice and square, and it's got a good blade in it. But maybe I should just upgrade the station a little bit, and then go from there. Maybe just see how I like it with a new station. But just wanted to kind of talk about this today. If you've got any ideas or thoughts on this, please comment below and let me know what you think. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.